to do a quick video here. I got a product in from 12VoltSolutions. It's a remote start for my 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Do a quick just rundown of what's in the box and a quick install of it. It shouldn't be too hard from what I've seen in the video, so here we go. Alright, I'm already in the car. I already got this panel pulled down. That's the only thing I've done so far is just pull the panel down. And I just cut the thing here. So, get in here. Okay, I guess it's just advertising. We got in here, thank you for just a bunch of info stuff. Here's the module, and here is the thing. Okay, that's interesting. There's that, and some zip ties. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Got that, and that, and that. And then you take this panel down, and for me, it's gonna be these wires right here, that gray one and that black one. And I'll hook it up, see what happens. All right, back again. Got a new haircut. It's been, a day since I put the remote starter in. Ran into a little bit of complications, just nothing major, just the instructions say to go to a website. I went to the website and that didn't work. So eventually I tried to get on the computer and all that other stuff to go to the website that it was saying to go to. Well, I had to actually call the support just to be sure, because it says, just to make sure you follow the instructions and this, that, and the other. I mean, from what I've seen, it looked like it was pretty simple, like a plug and play. Well, that's basically all it was just a plug and play. There was just a programming step that you had to follow. Other than that, it was pretty much just plug and play. But I just wanted to be sure before I go screwing up my car. So after calling support, they emailed me the PDF file that had all the information in it, and lo and behold, I got what I needed. So plugged it in, and it literally was as simple as that. Plugged it in, poked it back up into the wheel, or the panel, I guess you say, the panel, and then clicked it back in. Can't even see it, don't even know it's there, but it works. So I'm gonna do a little quick demo on how that works right now. So let me grab my keys. All right, let me switch it to the front too. All right, here it is. Got the key, just the factory key fob. All you do is the lock button 3 times. And then to shut it off, you do it 1, 2, 3. It shuts right off. And if you were to get inside the vehicle, the only thing you'd have to do is just push the unlock once, get in, close the door, and tap the brake pedal 1 time before 45 seconds, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's the quick demonstration and install of the remote start from 12VoltSolutions. Again, plug and play kit. Got it on their summer sale right now, so if you're interested in getting something like that, I can put the link in the description so you can head over there and maybe get one before your time is up to get that special discount code. So, all right, thanks for watching.